Hi, welcome to Bodhie Solar. Today I will explain how a reliable and result-oriented on-grid solar power plant is installed. Let us visit one of our on-grid power plant, installed recently at Thiruvankunam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, which is a 25 kilowatts peak on its capacity, with in-phase micro inverters and Adani 550 watts peak mono PERC bifacial PV modules. The entire system consists of 45 solar PV modules and 45 N-phase micro-inverters accordingly.
The PV modules and the micro-inverters come with 25 years replacement warranty. Bodhie Solar uses Apollo galvanized iron pipes of 4-inch diameter as pillars for the PV module structure, with 2 layers of epoxy and 2 layers of aluminium paint to protect it as rust-proof. Many of the integrators in the market use GP instead of GI, which shall reduce the strength of the structure. Every solar structure must be insured with a walkway to enable the user for free access, and maintenance include panel cleaning. Many integrators follow unprofessional way of panel fixing with shortcuts like aluminium end clamps and self-screws, which may lead the warranty of the PV modules void. Bodhie Solar adhere the strict guidelines of panel fixing with galvanized J-hooks and stainless steel grade 3 note for bolts. It is never advised this way of panel mounting to the structure. This substandard way of module installations will cause to minor cracks and followed snail tracks, result quick degradation of solar panels. Besides, inserting a self-screw to the galvanized iron structure will remove the zinc coating on the screw and same time, the galvanization on the iron pipes and square tubes. Result, formation of rust and damage of entire structure. Fixing poles of solar structure to the concrete roof is a challenge where most of the integrators fail to accomplish it as leak-proof. Bodhie Solar follows scientific techniques and most advanced leak-proof solutions of Fosrec to guarantee the ultimate result to our customers. The conduits and its fittings we Bodhie Solar uses are premium in its quality, the saddles are coated, and even the screws are stainless steel grade 3 note 4. The next should speak about the earthing and the lightning protection system. We Bodhie Solar strictly follow the guidelines of Chief Electrical Inspectorate to Government for installation of our every solar projects. The entire ground conductors will be of pure copper, and all the earth rods are of 1.2 meter in its length. The multi-spike lightning arresters are proven to provide the maximum safety and security. Bodhie Solar is keen to provide safety by using the world's best wires and cables of Havels and Polycab on AC and DC side of our every solar power plants. In this site, we have used in phase the world #1 microinverter with India's best bifacial mono PERC PV modules at Adani. For more details, call us on 00918 84836 for 696 or visit us as www.bodhiesolar.com or catch us on Facebook as Bodhie Solar.